Welcome everyone. Today I'd like to talk about 5 dividend stocks to own long term. Today I'm going to do a deep dive into Energy Transfer, Main Street Capital, ABBV, and Altria. If you are searching for reliable dividend income, today we will break down 5 of the most resilient high-yield stocks, analyzing their business models, recent performances, and 5-year outlook. The first stock, Energy Transfer, ticker symbol ET. Energy Transfer is a leading midstream energy company specializing in natural gas and NGL transportation, storage, and processing. In 2024, it saw record adjusted earnings of $15.5 billion with volume growth in all segments and 13 consecutive quarterly distribution increases. The 5-year outlook, the management plans $5 billion in growth projects for 2025, focusing on pipeline expansion and strategic data center partnerships such as the Cloudburst deal. Dividend growth is robust with projections showing continued increases and a forward yield near 8%. Price forecasts suggest potential appreciation to $20 to $27 per share by 2030, with a stock trading at a modest discount to fair value. Risk include regulatory changes and energy market volatility, but Energy Transfer's diversified assets and cash flow discipline provide stability. I have a buy price at $17.30 a share. The second stock on my list, AT&T. Looking at AT&T business model and recent performance, AT&T is a telecom giant focusing on 5G fiber broadband and business connectivity. Q1 2025 delivered $30.6 billion in revenue. It's a 2% year-over-year increase. Strong cash flow and continued 5G expansion. It's all big pluses. The 5-year outlook for AT&T, they expect to expand fiber to 50 million plus premises by 2028, monetize the 5G enterprise, and maintain a conservative balance sheet are big pluses for AT&T. Also, the dividend yield is stable around 4% with a consistent payout and a focus on free cash flow generation. Analysts expect moderate share price growth with long-term upside tied to broadband and enterprise services. I have a buy price at $27 a share. Next company I have Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. Main is a business development company providing debt and equity to lower middle class market firms. Main had a net investment income of $1.02 a share in 2024, and is one of the industry leading with cost efficiency. Main's 5-year outlook has monthly dividends with a forward yield above 7%, plus regular supplemental payouts. The dividend growth rate is steady at 4.2%, with projected annual dividends rising to $5 per share by 2030. Main's diversified portfolio and prudent management have delivered strong ROE and NAV growth, making it a favorite among income investors. With risk, you've got the credit cycle exposure and economic downturns, but Main's conservative underwriting and diversified assets mitigate these risks. I have a buy price at $54 a share. Josh Delosier Investments bought Main at $54.10 a share yesterday. Just put that out there for full disclosure. Next company we've got is ABBV, ticker symbol ABBV. ABBV is a global biopharma leader known for immunology, oncology, and neuroscience drugs. 2024 through 2025 has had strong earnings growth, robust cash flow, and a 3.5% dividend yield. ABBV is trying to diversify beyond Humira and expanding an oncology pipeline and growing with allergen. Dividend growth is impressive at 8.4%, with annual payouts projected to exceed $7 a share by 2030. Revenue and EPS expected to grow steadily as new drugs offset similar pressures. I have a buy price at $188 a share. The final stock is Altria Group, ticker symbol MO. Altria is a leading tobacco and nicotine product company with expanding interest in smokeless and cannabis products, with a solid EPS growth of 2 to 5% guidance. Altria has 55 consecutive years of dividend increases and a yield of 7%. The 5-year outlook, we have dividend growth steady at 4.2%, with annual payouts projected to surpass $5 a share by 2030. Stock price forecast suggests moderate appreciation, with the company remaining a top choice for income investors. I personally own Altria. Took profits earlier today at $58.40 a share. I always try to buy Altria on the down days. I have a buy price at $58 a share currently. As always, please do your own due diligence before investing. Everyone has different personalities, and these stocks may not be right for you. I am trying to get this account monetized, so please hit the like and follow button if this video has helped. I really appreciate everyone watching. I hope to have another video up and running sometime next week. Hope everyone has a very profitable day. As always, cut your losses short, let your winners run. Also, Josh Delozer Investments invested in Spotify at $553.11 a share today, and it's a great buying opportunity. I just thought throw that in as a bonus just because it had earnings today and was actually down 7%, which was a little crazy considering how great a company that is. Spotify was up over 100% in the past year, and just continues to outperform the market. So if you're looking for another company that's just, that's decent to pick up, that's long-term, Spotify would be a great company to own. I'm probably going to try to include my weekly investments and trades in my videos. So be sure to check those out. Also, I've got TikTok Live between 7:30 and 8:30 Monday through Friday. Search Josh Delozer Investments on TikTok. And on Twitter at Josh Delozer Investments, you can get all my trade signals, so you can get my buy prices as well as what I sell the stocks at. It's a win-win. And also, you can be sure to click on the referral link, and you can get $40 worth of cryptocurrency from Coinbase and free stock from Webull when you use those referral links. It's totally free. Webull is one of the few brokerages you can trade between 4 a.m. and 7 a.m. So it gives you a big edge over the competition. Earlier today, I was trying to buy some more Nvidia as the price fell, and I really couldn't have bought that company if I had to wait around to 7 a.m. It really wasn't at the price I wanted to buy it. So and that there happens every day. I'm buying and selling constantly, and if you're day trading, or if you just want to take advantage of the market, it's just a more pragmatic approach all the way around. No matter if you're a long-term investor, you've always got to have control and being able to sell when you want to sell, because there's always news going on with tariffs and everything else. It just really doesn't make financial sense to invest in a brokerage that's like Fidelity or Charles Schwab, as great as they are. With all this heavy volatility in the market, you've got to have Webull or Robinhood. So if you don't have those apps, download them today. I hope everyone has a very profitable week. Thank you for watching my video.